Here we have the opening of an Abus N83/4/5. I got the rubber band on there because I got the screw out on the inside so it'd make it faster. It's taken me a while. It took me a while to pick this. I just got it today. I'm not exactly sure what's in it, but I'm gonna find out real quick.
Alright, hands in pockets. Don't care how soft something looks. No compliments on anything. Sounds like a hamper hippie. Hey, don't touch that. We'll make you sterile. What is that? Okay, kids, so.
It's got a little push button there on the side. You gotta push in as you push the follower through. This one should work.
Got an iPhone? Don't load it up with a bunch of wuss games with Jules and Patty, Spy Shop, and all that crap. Man up to a real game, princess. Vending machine from Adult Swim Days. You paid your money. But where's your check?
I don't have a key for this lock, but I am gonna make one. It's only 5 pin. It's made for 6 though, so I'll probably add an extra pin in there. Let's see what we got in there. A little serrated, spool, and another spool, and one more spool. I knew there were some gnarly pins in there. It took me a while to get it, but I got it, and now I'm going to make a key, and hopefully I can get the time down so I can get the whole thing on video. That's it. Peace out. Show you a good look at that lock real quick.